Zhongshan Haima Electrical Appliances Company Limited. Founded in 2011, it owns the famous appliance brand LOTOR. We develop our own appliances and are brave in innovation. Has launched a variety of explosive products, won more than 200 national patents. Own factory with a full set of advanced equipment and automated workshop, from raw materials to assembly, from inspection to packing and dispatch, full chain quality management, strict producing and excellence. LOTOR wins clients' trust and cooperation with high-quality appliances. With excellent reputation, enter 600 famous domestic supermarkets. Whole channel sales enter many mainstream platforms. Products are widely praised and recognized by consumers. Turnover and average annual revenue keep reaching high record. We have served 45+ million families in 60+ countries and regions. In the past 13 years, we have involved in charity to protect the growth of children. The annual filial fund is distributed, pass the warmth to the staff, create a loving company. Quality first, service with heart, achieving the quality appliance brand.